Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2020. So let's check out how to make caramel rock candies. This is a very yummy candy that you can easily make at home. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a pan, add half cup of sugar. Keep the flame in high throughout the process. Let the sugar melt. Now the sugar has started to melt, so start stirring. Now the sugar has caramelized, so add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. The sugar will form lumps, no issues, it will melt again. Now add half cup of whipped cream and mix it well. Now the lumps have started to melt. Now it's nice and lump free, so go ahead and add another half cup of sugar and mix it well. Then add a teaspoon of honey and mix it well. Now add a pinch of salt and mix well. Now let's check for the consistency. Drop in few drops of a mixture in a bowl of water. It should crystallize immediately. Now we have the correct consistency. So off the flame and add 3 teaspoons of unsalted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a nice mix. Keep ready a tray lined with butter paper. Transfer the content to the tray. Tap it twice to release the air bubbles. Let this rest for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours now, so remove from the tray and break them into rock candies. Wrap it using a butter paper and store it in an airtight container, and you can enjoy for a month's time. Very easy and delicious recipe. Your kids will love it for sure. We're not using any preservatives, so definitely a must-try recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.